Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set Google Chrome as a default browser into your Windows 11. So without wasting any time, let's just start. So first we will go to our start icon over here and go for settings. For coming on settings, we just need to go for apps section over here, and then we will go for this default apps option over here. Click on that. So now here we will just scroll down a little bit, and then here you can see we find Google Chrome over here. So click on that, and then you can see after clicking on Google Chrome, you can see there is an option called set default. So if you click on set default, it will automatically set it in default. Scroll down a little bit and be sure that in HTTP and HTTPS, here you just need to select this as a default browser, you can see. So by this, it will be your default browser for your Windows 11 and 10. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.